What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a brand new video for you today on a 2026 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. The truck is black. It's brand spanking new. It was just brought here by my customer Davion from Birmingham, Alabama. The truck is getting a 4-inch Cognito Performance lift kit, which is one of the best lift kits we sell. The Performance lift kit comes with the Fox 2.0 reservoir shocks, comes with Cognito's upper control arms, and it also comes with their steering braces as well, which are a very, very nice add-on for that kit. We're doing 37, 13, 50, 20 Toyo Open Country RT Pro tires on the factory wheels, which I love this tire. It's one of the best tires we sell. It fits nicely on that wheel. It's a little bit wider than the 1250 as far as the way it looks and stuff like that. This tire does look a lot beefier on the truck. It looks a lot better to me. Let me know what you think when we get it done, if the 1350 tire looks better or if you'd have gone with a 1250 tire. I'm about to get out real quick and show you what this truck looks like. Stay tuned. Our brand spanking new Denali Ultimate. Davion's the owner of the truck, like I said a minute ago. Funny thing he said whenever I got the keys from him, he said, "Man, sorry, she's dirty," or something like that. "She's filthy." I mean, maybe a little bit. There's some bugs on the front, but the truck's brand spanking new. I mean, it really is. Even on the inside, like, I don't know if he just cleaned it up or if it just looks like this because it's new, but perfect truck. Not a speck of dirt anywhere. This is the perfect truck to start out with. This is what you want when somebody comes in. Easy to film, looks good. I know this truck's going to look good after it's done. We've done a couple of them like this. That Toyo Open Country RT Pro tire looks good on just about anything you put it on. So stay tuned for the process. We're about to get it in right now and get it started. Well, here we are. It's later in the afternoon now. It's probably, 5:09 in the afternoon. The truck's ready to go. Our 2026 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate looks absolutely amazing. The 4-inch Cognito Performance lift kit is second to none. We have the Fox shocks on here, the reservoirs on there, the steering braces, the upper control arms. Everything is perfect. 37, 13, 50, 20 Toyo Open Country RT Pro tires on the factory wheels are fitting. I just turned it all the way. Something about this Cognito kit, it's that spindle. It's a little bit wider. Allows these tires to clear all the way without touching. So I was thinking they would rub a little bit earlier, but no, they don't rub at all. I'm about to get out of the truck and show you what we ended up with. Here's our perfect GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate 2026. The stance is great. The tire fitment is perfect. He chose the right tire. Starting out, we're going to go with the 4-inch Cognito cross member right here. The axle angles are next to perfect. Very, very smooth and soft whenever you don't crank the torsion keys up in these trucks. These angles are actually better than factory. Perfect, exactly what you want. There are Fox 2.0 reservoir shocks here, upper control arms from Cognito. We have our steering braces right here, if you can see them. Idler arm and pitman arm braces. Cognito's a non-torsion bar drop lift kit, so the torsion bars stay up in the factory location. This is the bracket that they provide that does that. We also installed the SuspensionMAXX torsion keys. Did not want to leave those out. That's one of the best things we have on this whole truck. The SuspensionMAXX torsion keys allow us to set this at the 0 inch of height setting, but it clears up a lot of the space in the back of the torsion bar to the torsion key there. It's hard to see from where we're at here, but really is a nice set of keys. Back in the back, we have the factory Adderley, or the factory overload spring is still intact on the truck. Fox 2.0 reservoir shocks. And then you will see the block from Cognito right there. Cognito is a very, very nice kit. 37, 13, 50, 20 Toyo Open Country RT Pro tires. Very, very smooth and quiet for what this is. 45,000 mile warranty. This tire does come with Toyo's 45-day ride guarantee, so this is no risk option. This is the best tire that I have, really. Everybody loves it. That aggressive sidewall looks really, really good on the truck. Overall presentation of this truck looks great. When you do a GMC Sierra gloss black with a nice lift kit, nice shocks, and a nice set of tires, there's no way it could look bad, right? If you have any questions about this one, feel free to reach out. The number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. I'm going to attach a quote for this exact build right after this clip if you're curious. So stay tuned for that. And I appreciate everybody watching.